How to fix if Google Service Framework keeps stopping problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, click on the search icon at the top right corner of your screen. In here, simply search Google Service Framework. Click on Google Services Framework and then click on Force Stop. After you've done that, press on Storage and Cache at the bottom. After you've pressed on Storage and Cache, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Clear Cache and Clear Storage. Then press on OK. After you've done that, go back and then search Google Play Services. Click on Google Play Services. After you've done that, press on Storage and Cache at the bottom. Then clear cache. After you have cleared the cache, go back from this app and simply restart your device and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Google Service Framework keeps stopping problem on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.